How to create a text group on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Now, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can search for or type in the name of the people who you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want to send the message in a group. After selecting, type in a message in the text bar below to share it with them. As you can see, you have now created a text group. Following these steps, you can easily create a text group on iPhone.